I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Vodafone to Oppo, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your Vodafone account is active and not on any contract that would prevent you from switching. Step 2. Request your PSC code. Contact Vodafone customer service to request your porting authorization code PSC. You can do this via phone, online chat, or through the Vodafone app. Step 3. Sign up with Oppo. Once you have your PSC code, go to an Oppo store or their website to sign up for a new plan. Provide your PSC code during the sign-up process. Step 4. Wait for the porting process. After submitting your PSC to Oppo, the porting process usually takes up to 1 working day. You will receive a confirmation once your number has been successfully transferred. Step 5. Test your new SIM. Once you receive your new Oppo SIM, insert it into your phone and test to ensure your number has been ported correctly. If you encounter issues, restart your phone or check your network settings. Remember, if you run into any hiccups during the process, customer service for both Vodafone and Oppo can help you troubleshoot. Good luck with your new plan.